Hi guys, recently we have finished one custom order for Palpatine's set. This set includes the cane and the brush. So this should be a lava stone brush. Take a look at it. It's solid casted and painted. High gloss. Correct sizing like on CRL. This is the cane. The cane is 3D printed and filled inside with some reinforcements. Then it finished. Finished to obtain obsidian look. It's a semi-gloss black lava wood. The weight is about 400 grams and it's pretty sturdy. It's curved in all dimensions, like CRL asks, and it has specific shape. So stay tuned.